welcome back to my channel. So today is all about a Fenty Beauty Snapshot. Guys, what the hell is this? This is how you know, like, I tried to do this like whole bougie thing, but half the time I'm hella raggedy. Like, what on earth? Basically, I did my skincare video and I film in this Fenty Beauty look straight after, and I didn't even bother to look in the mirror. I've got dried up mask on my face. People are probably thinking, oh, what was she doing before this video? Like, what is this life? What is this life? That's just so raggedy. Anyway, eyeshadow. I'm really excited, can you tell? And does my skin not look dewy and flawless? All that glitters is gold, baby. But yeah, guys, this is the final look. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about a Fenty Beauty Snapshot. So Rihanna has brought out some Snapshadows, which are a range of different eyeshadow palettes for us consumers to buy into, and I created this look using her Smoky palette number 6. Before we get into that video, if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit the subscribe button? I do videos on, I was gonna say I do videos on, but I haven't really been doing videos, so they're just a little bit sporadical at the moment. But if you do want to see more of my videos, why not hit the subscribe button and join the notification gang, and you'll see more of my videos. So like, what are you waiting for? Have you hit that subscribe button? Have you hit that bell for notifications? Oh, you have? Okay, let's get into the video. So I don't know where my Fenty Beauty primer is. I have no idea where that ish is. I tried to look for it in my like box of primers and all I found was the lid, so I don't know where that shit's gone. So I'm going to be using one of my favorite primers for this month that I have been testing out this month. Nothing to do with any beauty, but I really like it. This is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. So I'm just going to place some in the palm of my hand and go over my face. But I've been using this Hydro Grip Primer for the last kind of month now, and I really like it. I had seen some reviews on YouTube, some people saying it was tacky, but I actually like it, to be honest. So that definitely will be my favorite. Just going to go ahead and kind of outline my eyebrows and then come back with my Fenty Beauty products. But I just wanted to show you that primer because it's really good, to be honest. I'll leave a link down below so you can purchase it as well. Okay, I have outlined my eyebrows. I always outline them first, and then after I finish my makeup I touch them up. Some people do it differently. This is how I do it. It looks a bit crazy at the moment, but I like to outline them twice just to make sure they really stand out. Gotta have the eyebrow on fleek. And then I like to use the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Caramel to go underneath my eye and just kind of the more reddish areas of my face, my nose, and I haven't done my upper lip, so let's be covering that. I kind of use this matchstick as a corrector before applying the foundation. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with the foundation. This is the Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear Foundation in shade 385. This is a perfect match to me. I know some people have been saying that they still can't find their perfect match to Fenty Beauty. I'm not here to correct anyone, but I just don't understand how, because like, perfect. Just putting just 2 pumps. I put 2 and a bit only because my foundation brush is fairly new, so sometimes it needs a little bit more to pick up. I always find it's easier to put on the back of the hand and then work in with the foundation brush. Actually, I probably didn't even need 2 pumps because this seems to be going a long way. I absolutely love this foundation. I just love how dewy it makes the skin look. I prefer it than the matte foundation. I feel like the matte foundation was a little bit drying, but it was the first one that came out, so everyone was like, oh my god, I need it. I just love how dewy it makes the skin look. And to be honest, guys, what the hell is this? This is how you know, like, I tried to do this like whole bougie thing, but half the time I'm hella raggedy. Like, what on earth? Basically, I did my skincare video and I film in this Fenty Beauty look straight after, and I didn't even bother to look in the mirror. I've got dried up mask on my face. People are probably thinking, oh, what was she doing before this video? Like, what is this life? What is this life? That's just so raggedy. Anyway, whatevs. I'm just gonna set that with my Too Faced Prime Set and Refresh Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. just to set that foundation. And I really love this foundation. I feel like it's just basically my skin. I love how dewy my skin looks. It just makes me so happy. This is my go-to everyday foundation. I'm going to quickly prime my eyes and then come back to you guys with the eyeshadow. I'm really excited, can you tell? And does my skin not look dewy and flawless? Okay, so this is the Snapshot Smoky Super Rich Color Easy to Blend Eyeshadow Palette. And this is the eyeshadow. So Smoky is to create the perfect smoky eye. So I'm just taking the deepest brown color and I'm just going to go all over my eye for a base. And then I want to blend it up a little bit with more like mauve purple colour, just to give the eye a little bit of definition. And now to create some smokiness, I'm taking the metallic glitter eyeshadow from that palette and I'm just going to place on the eye using the Fenty Beauty Plush eyeshadow brush. Oh, that glitters is gold, baby. I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up. I'm using my Fenty Beauty concealer in 370 and I'm just gonna place that on my under eye. And then I'm going to blend in with a beauty blender. And I'm just going to set that with my Fenty Beauty concealer brush and powder in honey. And then for my under eye area, I'm going in with this softer brown colour.
I then took You Up, which is a peachy tone, and placed that in the inner corners of my eye.
And I just used that peachy brown colour, just soften up the eye. I am now going to go in with blush. I'm going to use the Binge Mascara Mule. And I'm just going to place these just on the balls of my cheeks and blend in with a brush. I'm just going to add a little bit of Killawatt Trophy Wife just on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and just a tinge on my cheekbones. And then I'm going to take the Stalk'r Island Tings and I actually use this to contour. Tidying up that look, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. And what I love about this mascara is I literally use it full flat to lengthen my lashes. And then I turn it to square when I'm going in again, just to get all the lashes lengthened out. Okay, so this is not the first time I'm using mascara. I absolutely love the mascara. Like, I don't need to use no lashes, guys. Like, my eyelashes are popping. They're just really popping. Absolutely love this mascara. I just love the way that it's full length. It's a really fat mascara and you can use it to brush out your lashes, and then it turns into an ultra thin mascara, and I just use that to get in between all my lashes and make sure that they're separated. But yes, it is up there with the mascaras. I'm just going to finish off with my eyebrows. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Brow MVP and I'm just going to re-outline my eyebrows. I actually love how thin this eyebrow pencil is, so it's really easy to make thin strokes. And then I just use the brush bit just to brush up my eyebrows and make them a little bit more fluffy. To be honest, I have quite good eyebrows, so I don't really do the most with my eyebrows, just a little bit. Okay, and then for the lip, I'm using Underdawg, and I have the mini one. I was gifted this over the Christmas. As always, I think I've said it in a few of my Fenty Beauty review videos that you don't really need a lip liner because of the applicator. And it kind of outlines the lip. So I'm just gonna go in. And there you have it. I'm just going to set my face with the Too Faced setting spray again. And I'm just thinking, should I gloss this lip up or should we leave it matte? I think we should gloss it up. So I'm going to put my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb on the top. This is in Fussy. And yes, I think that looks so much better with just a little tinge of gloss. That is more of a pink gloss. I should have used another one, but they just get lost all over my house. I think I had like the darker one, but I don't know where it is. But yeah, guys, this is the final look. So guys, what did you think about that look? I'm really loving the Snapshot palette. I think it makes it so easy to do a smoky eye, and the colours were really pigmented. I didn't use the black only because I really hate doing a black smoky eye. I just feel like it stays on my eye for ages. It takes forever to take off. Always ends up going wrong. But yeah, so that's why I didn't use the black colour. But other than that, all the other colours were pigmented. There isn't really something that she's brought out that I haven't really liked, to be honest. Probably her Galaxy palette, but I think with that palette you needed to use an eyeshadow base before using it, and then it was okay. But yeah, she just keeps on getting better and better with products. She's got some new lip glosses out now and a new setting spray which I need to try out, so if you want me to try out for you guys, let me know. But yeah, like, I had some fun creating this look. What are you guys' thoughts? I hope I'm glistening with my smoky look. But yeah, I think that's all, guys. So if you like this video, want to give it a thumbs up. If you think anyone could benefit from this video, I'll be happy if you share this video, want to share it. As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below for where you can get these products from. But I guess I'll see you in another video, and remember to always stay what, guys? Bougie.